Find and replace text using wildcards. If you specify beginning character or characters before using wildcard option, Word will look for words that begin with those letters, and if you specify ending character, Word will look for wildcard character with continuing or ending character, whether it is the ending letter of a word or part of the word that continues with letter. Click on Replace. Square brackets finds one of the characters you specify in square brackets, could be one character or multiple characters. Type opening square bracket, A, closing square bracket, R, in Find What text box. Example AR will find car as well as caramel. Select Use wildcards. Click Find Next. Click Find Next. Notice the words that were found: car, caramel. If you specify beginning letter, wildcard, and ending character, it will try to match it. Type S, opening square bracket, E, closing square bracket, C, O. It will find secondary, seconds but not other words that do not match the sequence. Click Find Next. Notice it found secondary, because we specified CO after the wildcard. One thing to note is you can search from the position you are on in your document, and when you get message, "We're finished searching the document," click on OK and continue searching from beginning of document, or position your cursor to the beginning of the document to search from beginning. Type C, opening square bracket, L, O, R, closing square bracket. Position your cursor to the beginning of the document to search from beginning. Click at the beginning of the document. Click Find Next. As you noticed, Word started the search at the beginning of document and found words that began with C, and had either L, O, or R as next character. If we add continuing character, S, after wildcard like ROMP, it will find camp, champ, because we specified wildcard characters and continuing characters.
One thing to note is you can search from the position you're on in your document, and when you get message "We're finished searching the document," click on OK and continue searching from beginning of document, or position your cursor to the beginning of the document to search from beginning.
To specify continuous range of characters, in bracket you specify beginning character, and an ending character, for example L through O. Opening square bracket, L-O, closing square bracket, finds any single character L through O. Type opening square bracket, capital S, closing square bracket, opening square bracket, A, closing square bracket. If you want to find two wildcard characters, just use bracket twice, one for each character or multiple characters. If you want to find a range but exclude characters, then use the exclamation mark. Use curly braces to find number of times previous character is used, including the previous character. X, re 3D will find creed and greed. When changed to 2 instead of 3, it will find creed, with 2 E's and with 3 E's. Because it matches, earlier we had specified 3 where it had to have 3 E's. Use @@ to find all instances of preceding characters, whether one or more. Example: car @finds car, caramel, carry. Car @finds carriage and carry. Use \/ to find wildcard characters as another option. Example: \* finds the word with asterisk.